Today you'll learn a unique type of udon unlike any you've tried before. An intense, flavorful broth made with smoked ribs, cooked until they're perfect. An amazing mix between the tradition of Japanese udon and the bold, smoky flavor. And here, I have 300 grams of smoked pork ribs. You can see there's a lot of meat. If you're going to buy it, right, give preference to ones that have plenty of meat, like this one here. And now put it in our pressure cooker, about 2 centimeters of ginger. And here, just slice it. It doesn't need to be very thin either. More or less like this. Mix it with the meat. And here is an onion. It can be medium-sized. Just peel it. It will also add flavor to our broth. Just put it in whole. 3 cloves of garlic. You can put the whole garlic together with the meat, but I want the garlic to blend in, right? The flavor together with the broth. So I'm going to grate it. And by grating it like this, you get a really strong garlic flavor. It's very different from adding it whole or chopped as well. Like this. Is it good? It's great. You can add up to 4 cloves of garlic. And now a teaspoon of fish dashi. And for those who don't know, there are several types of dashi, right? This one is bonito fish dashi. It's powdered bonito fish. You can find it in Asian stores and even in large supermarkets. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And now a liter of water. Just cover it and let it cook under pressure for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our udon. This one is partially cooked, almost ready to use. I bought it at a Korean store. You can also find it in Asian stores, any of them. Also in large supermarkets, but you can also use regular noodles. And here the water has started to boil. Just add the noodles. This one you can let cook for just 2 minutes at most. Next. All done. After 2 minutes, just turn it off. After 1 minute, just give it a stir so it loosens up. It's really easy. Now just let it go 1 more minute, then turn it off. Next. Done. Just let it drain. Set it aside. And now prepare the eggs. Here, I'll show you how to cook the eggs without immersing them in water. But you can do it however you prefer. I'm just going to show you the way my wife likes me to do it, right? Because it looks nice. Here's a plastic bag. Just put a little bit of oil on it. Just regular oil, soybean oil, vegetable oil. Once you've put the oil on, put the egg in and close it. Just close it tightly. You can tie a small knot. And that's it. Do the same with the other one. That's it. You can cook it your own way, just the usual way. Put it in boiling water and leave it for as long as you want. I like the yolk runny, so I'll leave it for 6 minutes. And it's steamed. You might think it's more work, right? Of course, it is a little more work, but it turns out really cool. It has to be like this. A little bit of water in the pan. It doesn't have to be much. It started to boil. Put our bamboo steamer on. And you can use a couscous steamer as well. Put the eggs in. Cover it and let the eggs steam for 5 minutes. If you want the eggs hard-boiled, you can leave them for 11 minutes. A few minutes have passed. Let's take the eggs out. Now just cut. Put it in. Put it in. Use a knife or scissors to open it. And look how easy it is. It comes out easily because we used a little bit of oil, right? Open the other one. And here, Let's see how it turns out. Just look at how beautiful this egg is. Just a little bit of oil in the pan. I have some leek. I cut it about the length of 2 fingers. And let's fry it. You can also use olive oil and butter, and it turns out really good. Just keep turning it and browning all the sides. And now, a tablespoon of mirin. Cover it and let it cook for a little while. Here the mirin has evaporated, so just turn off the heat. And let's set it aside. Here our meat is ready. Broth with a lot of umami, a lot of flavor. The meat is falling apart. And here you just need to strain this broth. Separate the meat from the broth. Extremely flavorful broth. And just look at that color. And did you notice I didn't add any salt because we're going to add miso now? I just put the miso here in this strainer to make it easier to dissolve the miso. You can use about 1 tablespoon for every half liter of broth. And you just do it like this. You can see that it's really easy. It won't have those lumps, right? If you put the miso directly into the broth. It takes a long time to dissolve well, right? And here, yes, it's really easy. There, give it a stir. It's already dissolved. There won't be those big lumps. And it's all done. And look at this delicious broth. And now, cut a little bit of green onion to taste. It's just to finish off our udon, our delicious udon. Here, it's to taste. Here, I'm just going to cut the ribs. And just look at how it's falling apart. How delicious. And here is our noodles, the broth. And you can add as much as you want, but there always has to be plenty of broth. It should almost cover the pasta. That's perfect. The leek, and look how beautiful it looks. The meat. You can be generous. The egg. And the green onion. And our udon with smoked rib broth is ready. A rich dish, aromatic, and full of umami. If you like the recipe, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.